Get into a car with value. 2018 BMW 750i. This vehicle still has fewer than 20,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. This vehicle delivers the style, comfort, and efficiency you need to meet the needs of today's lifestyle. Confidence comes standard when you're behind the wheel, prepared for the journey ahead. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, navigation system, premium sound system, fog lamps, power passenger seat, active suspension, heated mirrors, backup camera, keyless start. Don't miss the opportunity to enhance your driving pleasure while you take advantage of the latest advances in efficiency. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience.